11th July 2022, my first day at the Microsoft office. Today, it is April 2023 and it has almost been a year since I've started working from the office. But I can still remember the goosebumps, the excitement, the pride that I had when I went to the Microsoft campus for the first time as a full-time employee. You see, I graduated in 2020.
China has identified the cause of the mysterious new virus,
coronavirus.
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
It was the time of COVID and all the other internships and all the other jobs that I had to work remotely and I didn't get the chance to work physically with people in the office. So this was my first time ever going to an office and working from there and to meet people physically in the office, and that too from the beautiful Microsoft Bangalore campus. So let me take you along with me to the Microsoft office on the very first day I started working from the office as a software engineer. Hi guys, so today I'm really excited because I'll go to the Microsoft office building today for the first time as a software engineer. So I'll take you on this journey with me and tell you my experience. So let's go. So Microsoft provides free cab facilities to its employees. So right now I'm waiting for my cab to arrive and yeah. So I've reached the campus just now. It was a very short ride. So this is the office building and here is the reception. So I'll go inside the reception and show you as much as I can. So I just got inside and I got a temporary ID and I'll be collecting my badge and I'll be returning this. So the campus is beautiful. So I'm in the ground floor. And from what I can see, it is really beautiful. Let me show you around. This is the garage. We have it for experiments and all, hackathons, etc. This is the reception. We have, we have cafeteria this side as well as this side, I think. So from what I could see, the ground floor is basically the ground floor contains various conference rooms and meeting rooms and places to sit, like the place where I am sitting. So yeah, let's explore other floors and I'll let you know what all is there. So right now I'll be going to collect my laptop, and you can see we have ATMs inside the office as well, so which is cool because I always forget to carry cash. So yeah, let me go to the 6th floor to collect my laptop and I'll meet you there. I just reached the 6th floor and we have a foosball table here. So beautiful. So we have a yoga floor and here people, I guess, practice yoga and all. So nice. This is the beautiful view of the city. So we have conference rooms on each floor, focus rooms, so that one can focus. And we have small phone booths. This look really cute to take phone calls. I guess this is a massage chair. I'll make use of it someday. This is the place where one can play Xbox games. You have seats to sit and games to play. We have nap rooms here as well. So looking forward to use those to sleep after heavy lunch. So this is the 7th floor on which our team sits. So this is the common area and we sit kind of there. So we have a vending machine from which, a lot of things are there. And we have coffee machines. And yeah, this is the outside view that you get. These are the workstations. where people come and sit. I don't know where I will be sitting, but they will pretty much be like this, 1 or 2 monitors and a chair and a machine. So right now I am in a focus room, or I guess they call it a zone room, and till now I have not yet got my laptop. So I'll collect my laptop. Prior to this I was working on my personal laptop using virtual desktop. I'll collect my laptop. Till then I'm thinking of roaming around and seeing what all I can find in this very big campus. So yeah. So still haven't got my laptop and I'm chilling here on this balcony. So it is a very beautiful view. So currently I'm inside a nap room to see how it looks from the inside. So I'll give you guys a look. So it is fully quiet and no sounds from outside entering. Should I sleep right now? Let me think. So right now I'm in the music room. So it's really wonderful. You can see the various musical instruments. Yeah, this place will be one of my most frequented places. Just a quick pause. This is not an ad. Just wanted to tell you, if you are preparing for interviews and you're using LeetCode to solve your DSA questions, I have created a really useful extension that is called LeetCode Video Solutions. So what the extension does is, it brings the top video solutions from YouTube on the problem page itself. So it is quite handy. So currently it has more than 10,000 downloads, an average rating of 4.5, and it is available for all the browsers, be it Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, any browser that you use. It is completely free, and I'm currently working on the version 2, which will be a huge revamp. So yeah, looking forward for you to use it. And see you in the video. So right now I'm in the cafeteria. So the cafeteria is really huge. Let me show you. So I know from here to here lots of stalls, like Indian, non-vegetarian, vegetarian, salads, combo, different cuisines. So yeah, I'll tell you what I'll have for lunch. So basically we get 200 rupees per day, for eating. So basically you can say that food is free over here. Yeah. So I am having paneer sandwich right now. Let me taste it and tell you how it is. It's awesome. So chilling here right now because my laptop is updating and it will take around 1 hour approx. So yeah, just passing my time here at the beautiful campus. I have received my laptop. It's a MacBook, and right now, as you can see, I am doing the required installations and setup and everything. So yeah, talk to you soon. So as you saw, I took the veg buffet as my lunch, and it was really awesome. And I'm very much full right now and feeling sleepy a bit. This is actually a phone booth inside which I am currently talking to you. So yeah. Right now it's around 7:10 p.m. I'll be checking out at 7:30 p.m. So I went through the entire campus and looked at various buildings. It has a total of 9 floors, and above it has a terrace. So today the main thing that I did is I was setting up everything. I got a new laptop, so everything was to be set up, and I talked not many people from my team had come. Because it is a hybrid kind of scenario, so only 2 or 3 people had come, so I was interacting with them. Also, I did not record the snacks part, so we also had some very good snacks which was free, and coffee, soft drinks, packaged foods, everything is free. So right now exiting out from the campus, it's around 7:45 p.m. So I really like the experience of my first day at Microsoft. I hope the snippets that I could show you, you also like them. I could not show you a lot of places that I visited. So there are various places which are table tennis, snooker, all kinds of sports, cricket. Then we had volleyball, basketball, foosball, and I showed you, right, Xbox. So I did a little bit of playing, and yeah, I really enjoyed my first day at Microsoft. So right now I'll head home, and before heading home I'll do some shopping. I have to buy some stuff. I hope you enjoyed the first day at Microsoft Bangalore office with me, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye.